Hey guys, Ethan here with Westcott Designs. Just wanted to take a minute and show you this 2022 Tundra Sport. This is the new Sport model. These ones come 1 inch lowered from factory, as some of you know. We just developed the preload collar and our 1 inch rear shim kit for this truck, so we're gonna have the full package available on the website here soon. So this truck leveled out really nicely. Obviously the Sport's got a little bit different of a preload collar in it. It needs a little more preload added into the collar itself to gain the height to compensate for the 1 inch lower it is from the factory. So with this truck, it came out really good. We did a set of 35 1250 20s on it. These are the Nitto Ridge grapplers. Really good fitment for this truck on the stock wheel. So we wanted to show you the actual collar itself here on the shock body. This is our billet aluminum preload collar. And you can see here, this has the red TRD shocks, not to be confused with the red Bilsteins of the TRD off-road package. These are not a Bilstein, it's just a Toyota TRD shock. And one thing to take note of too, on any of these 20-inch stock TRD wheels, you do need a 3 to 5 millimeter wheel shim in order to run the 35s without rubbing on the upper control arm. So right here you can see from the side profile on exactly where the tires sit. This is on the stock wheel with a 3 millimeter wheel shim in the front. So we hope you guys enjoy this 2022 Tundra Sport. This is a pretty sweet truck. We're gonna have the Sport lifts available here in the next few weeks up on our website. We know a lot of you have been asking about the airbagged Tundras. We have one here, we have it on the ground. It's been finalized. That kit will be in production in the next month or so. So stay tuned for that. As soon as we have it ready, we'll take a good video about it and show you guys how it looks and how it all operates and, you know, get you guys the pre-orders. So enjoy.